Hello, let's see how we can create greeting cards with Canva, with free Canva. Let's come back to our Canva homepage, and now we can click Create a Design, and here enter Folded Card. We will find Folded Card Landscape. There is cards like this, and we can choose any design from left side menu and designs. You see a lot of templates. You can enter Valentine's Day into the search field, and you will find a lot of designs. Okay, let's come back to our Canva homepage. We can click Create Design and Folded Card, and we can choose Portrait. I'm choosing Portrait. And now we also can find designs on the left side menu and templates. We can choose Valentine's, or we can enter Valentine's Day into the search field, and we can choose any design we want. But we can create by ourselves. We can click on background color. We can go to background. We can choose any color we want. For example, I'm choosing this one color. Now we can go to the elements, and we can enter pink and red head pattern. I'm entering. And now let's see graphics, and I will search for free pattern. Okay, let it be this one. We can click on it. We can adjust. We can duplicate it. Click right button and duplicate, or Ctrl+D. And now we can make it smaller, and we can adjust position. Now we can duplicate again, and we can play a little bit with this heart. And we can adjust transparency. Size and position. When it suits us, we can group, and now we can just duplicate and put near. Now I'm duplicate and put it down. Now we can go to the elements, and we can enter Happy Valentine's Day Calligraphy. Choose graphics, and we see free and pro texts. We can choose any we want. We can change color. For example, I'm going to colors, and we can pick a color from our pattern. And the second color, let it be this one. Okay, that's great. Now let's add a new page, and we can try other keywords. For example, let's enter Royal Trends-images to the search field. I am on the elements, and I am entering Royal Trends-images. And here we see a lot of ideas. We can choose, for example, this one, Red Valentine Heart. We can resize them. If we want here that will be a color, we can click letter R to the form, and we can just drag here. We can go to colors, and we can take any color, or we can go to position layers and we can drag it down. Now we see our hearts, so we can click on the color, go to colors, and we can pick from the flowers. And I will make it much brighter. Okay, now let's come back to elements. And I'm coming back to real trends images. And here we can choose calligraphy of Happy Valentine's Day. We see it looks very good. We can resize. We can go to edit and do a tone effect. We can choose any effect, or we can click on the colors and we can take from our, for example, photo, or we can pick any color we want. Now here we can take, for example, Valentine, birds, couple, and we can resize. If we want change color, we can go to edit and we can change from the filters. Or we can come back to our duotone effect. We can choose any duotone effect and go to colors, and we can pick the color. Or we can duplicate this page, and here we can add head. I'm entering head with arrow and choose graphics, and we can search for free head. For example, I am choosing this one, cartoon texture Valentine's arrowhead. Click on this picture, we can resize it, and we can change the color. Okay, let's add a new page, and we can come back to elements and Royal Trends Images. Here we will find this beautiful pattern, hand-drawn head seamless pattern. We can resize them. We can put here. Now we can duplicate, click Ctrl+D or right button and duplicate. Now we can go to flip and we can flip horizontal. Now we can put here and we can adjust with the arrows. Now we can duplicate both and put near. Now just duplicate and put. Now we can take, group, and drag, and duplicate and drag it down. Now we can take any text we want. For example, I'm choosing this one. We can resize them and add it here. We can click letter T and we can enter other text. For example, enjoy your day. So I hope you like this quick tutorial how you can play with elements, cards, and how you can create your own greeting card. And if you want to download your cards, you can go to the left side menu and share button, click download. You can choose PNG. If you want PNG, you can select the page and click done and download. If you want PDF, you can go to file type, choose PDF, click flatten PDF. Now you can choose your design, click done and download. I hope you like this quick tutorial. Click like and subscribe, and see you next time.